How to delete transaction history on Melio. Go to your browser and type meliopayment.com, then press enter. When the page loads, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your login details correctly, and sign in to access your profile. Once you're signed in, locate and click on the Pay button on the left side of your dashboard. You will see options such as Vendors, Bills, and Payment. Next, click on the Bills tab to proceed. This is where you'll manage and review your bill transactions. Mark or select all the specific bill transactions that you wish to delete. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a More option. Click on it, and then select Delete Bills. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Delete Bills to confirm your action, and that's it. Thank you for watching.